Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I've got something super exciting and refreshing lined up for you today. Get ready to whip up some amazing mango juice. Now, let's talk about our trusty tool, the portable blender. I absolutely love this one because it's lightweight and a breeze to clean. First, plop in that beautiful frozen mango fruit. Not only is it eye-catching, but it's also loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Next, toss in the banana. It adds creaminess and a natural sweetness that makes this drink even more irresistible. Okay, it's blending time. Secure that lid tightly, and with just a press of this magic button, we'll transform this mixture into a silky, smooth delight. Blend it up for about 30 to 45 seconds. Let's go. Wow, look at that gorgeous color. It's like capturing a tropical sunset in a glass. If you're feeling a little adventurous, add a squeeze of lime juice for an unexpected zesty kick. Otherwise, sip and savor just as it is. Don't forget to top it off with a few fresh mint leaves for that burst of freshness. All right, time for the best part. The taste test. Takes a sip. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you loved this recipe as much as I do, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tasty creations. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you're interested to our juice blender, you can check out link on the description below or pinned comment. See ya!